So, we're gonna stretch wide sideways, right? Get your thumbs up. Yeah, both arms. Thumbs up. And bring your thumbs to front and down. Alright, hold there for a moment. And bring them up. Bring all the way back. Yeah, further you can go with comfortably. Keyword is comfortably, okay? Don't overdo it. And we're gonna do this couple of more sets. How you feel? Don't do something your body's not ready to do. There we go. And we're gonna rotate your shoulders. And rotate to opposite direction. Alright. Then we are going to rotate